Hey guys, so if you deleted important WhatsApp messages but don't have a backup, don't panic. In this video I'll show you how practical methods you can try to recover them without needing Google Drive or iCloud backups. So firstly guys, you can try to do a certain thing. I personally don't have this feature on my phone, on my model, but if you do, you can of course try this. Pretty much you are looking for notification history. So if you want to see your older messages, you can try and retrieve them from there. So for that, you need to go to the settings, notifications, advanced settings, and notification history. If it's enabled, you can view recent WhatsApp messages here, even if they were deleted from the chat. Okay, and the next method you can try is by using your file manager. So in your file manager, go ahead and open up Search and input the file names that I will. So you type in ms gstore, and as you can see guys, these increments files that have the extension crypt14, these are actually your messages, right? So these are just encrypted messages that are from your WhatsApp. You're looking for this particular file, okay guys, and this is gonna be your entire message history. And in order to pretty much restore this, you just need to rename this file to said name. So you go, I'm not gonna rename. I don't want to break my messages. I'm just gonna show you which name you need to rename it to. So you just simply delete this name and you type in this. So ms gstore. After that, this. Then you caps and type in backup. Okay. Then uncaps database DB. And after that, instead of crypt14, you need crypt12. All right. So this is precisely the name that you're looking for. And pretty much after renaming, just press OK. I'm not going to press it. After that, just uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp, and during setup, choose Restore from local storage. And you will restore all of your messages this way. And also, if you don't want to mess around with this, there are also third-party tools that you can use. For example, Dr. Phone, Tenorshare Old Data, or iMyFone DBAC. So that's how you can recover the messages without backup. If this helped, give the video a like and subscribe, guys.